Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option or the icon called display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called sleep. Select it, and right here we have the list of durations we can select from, and we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and auto. Select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select 15 seconds, tap on OK, tap on the check mark, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of an activity. So it should be not yet, somewhere around now, I believe. Oh no, even longer, I guess. Oh, now it goes. Okay. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.